Bring on the Fang Gang! That's right, folks. The Mixels are back. Tonight, we're gonna draw the Fang Gang from Mixels. These guys are basically great crafters. They chomp through wood to create tikis, and boats, and, well, statues as well. These guys are very popular. What they mostly like doing is eating stuff. They'd eat mostly anything, even if it's not made out of wood. Definitely delicious. Eat! First, we're gonna start with Chomley. He looks like a hillbilly, and according to his bio, he has bad breath. Well, I'll know it when I see it. There's one thing that he loves, and that's doing high fives. And playing log toss with his pals. And eating hammaloni sandwiches. Here's Chomley's foot. There. Now that that's done, let's move on to the next character. Next, we're going to draw Gobba. Gobba is basically the leader of the Fang Gang. Much like Chomley, he likes eating stuff. He mostly creates tikis out of wood. He even built a raft to save Shuff and Velectro from an army of Nixels. Way to go, Gobba. Good for you. And he also likes fusing with his buddy Craw. And remember that talent show? I love that scene. Every episode of Mixels is my favorite. I wish that the series would continue to grow. I wish it would never stop. It's the best of the best. Snartleberries. There's his foot. There's his hand. That takes care of that. Now, finally, we draw Jawg. He's the dog. And, to be honest, he's a really sweet guy. Now, here's Jawg's tail. I meant his foot. Almost done. Yes. I'm almost done. Just got one last piece to add. There's Jawg's tail. And finished. That is how you draw the whole Fang gang. These guys really like eating stuff. They're really brave, and well, they have a really awesome max. To find out more on how to draw more Mixels like this, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and be on the lookout for more characters on the way, including the best Mixel Stegosaurus has ever seen. Stegosaurus, see you later. Until next time, 8, 8, 8, 8!